Okay everyone, welcome in beautiful Albania. So we did a little trip around the whole country and it was very nice to see all the different places, but we must say that not all of the places are as good as we wanted it to be. Here it is beautiful, so we did a nice little hike for 2 days, and as you can see it's a beautiful area. We also visited a bit the coast and it is pretty nice. I think Dami is a very nice place to be. We're staying in the mountains. Beautiful. Albania is a very nice place to be and to come, and definitely put hiking on your list. If you come to Albania, you can do some shorter trips, but especially these kind of areas are very desolate, not a lot of people, and that's probably also something you want to do. This was the video for Albania. I hope you liked it. It is beautiful, and maybe next time you will also visit Albania.